back to Creations by Meraki. I am Jazz, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to do a simple mini crown braid with the front section of the hair, and then 4 ways to style that which are nice and quick and easy for before a quick event, school or work. So if you want to start just by sectioning your hair and give it a brush, make sure there's no knots, and then part it where you would wish for the side part to be, and then just scoop up a small section of the hair at the front of that part. I'll just move this head forward so you can see what I am doing a little bit better. So we're going to get this small section and split this into 3 even sections. If you don't know how to Dutch braid, then please check out the link above and learn how to Dutch braid. It'll be a base for this braid. So we're just going to start with an easy Dutch braid at the start, except we're only adding hair into the front of the braid. We're not going to be adding hair into the back of the braid. So the back of the braid will just be like a normal Dutch braid or a normal Dutch plait, and the front we will be adding in the hair. So we're just adding in a small section of the hair to the front section, and then putting that underneath the middle section, and then putting the back section underneath the middle section to create a nice Dutch braid. And we're just doing this all the way along the front of the hair where it is parted. I'll just move this back around so you can see what I'm doing. This braid's really nice to just have in by itself, or as I'm going to show you 4 different ways to style it as well. It's really quick and simple, easy braid that it was really good for beginners and when you're learning how to braid, because you're only adding in 1 strand, takes away the pressure a little bit. So we're just going to braid this all the way down. This is just a Dutch plait now. We're stopping adding in any hair into the front section. So see how it creates that nice little crown look. And then just tying off that little Dutch plait and the crown braid with a band. I like to use the little elastic bands for these styles just so that they don't stick out as much when you're doing the different ways to style this hair. Okay, so the first style will be a mini crown braid into a twisted pony. So we're just going to grab the hair at the back of the head, down the bottom of the back of the head, and just smooth it out, make sure that there's no bumps. And then grab your favorite hair tie after you've added in the crown braid, and just pop the hair tie on there. We'll get it there eventually. And pull out any sort of hair that's stuck in the band. And then we're just going to tie this, not too tight, because we need to have it a little bit looser a little bit later. Okay, so once you've pulled that through, it's like a ponytail in the back of the hair with the Dutch braid added into it. We're just going to pull this down a little bit, pull the sections apart in the middle of the ponytail where it starts, and then we're just going to flip the ponytail into that little gap there. So it kind of goes upside down a little bit. And then just pulling it through. See how it gives that nice, like, beautiful finish with the Dutch braid added in there. This is a really simple style to do before any sort of event or school or work. It takes 2 seconds once you've gotten used to how to do it. Then you can add a little ribbon or scrunchie into the bottom. I added a little ribbon. I thought it would look cute. And then just give the ponytail a little bit of a brush with your fingers, and that's where we have the first style, the mini crown braid into the twisted pony. Style 2 will be a mini crown braid into a twisted bun. So we're just going to brush all the hair, make sure that it's all nice and smooth and straight. And we're just going to grab all of the hair, including the braid from the front. And then I'm just going to twist this. I twist clockwise and then wrap it around. So it creates that gorgeous little twist look in the middle of the bun. And then just wrap the excess hair all the way around. And just grab a little tie or some bobby pins and just secure that bun in place. And that's the second style. See how quick and easy that is? Just chucking that up, and it looks gorgeous from the front. And a nice bun at the back. Okay, so for this third style, we're going to do a mini crown braid into a half up, half down twisted bun. So again, just make sure the hair is nice and smooth. And then we're just going to section the top section of the hair. And just make sure that there's no other flyaways in there. And just making sure that the top section is nice and smooth. You don't want any unwanted bumps sticking out of the head. Add in that braid from the front. Now we're just going to tie that off with our favorite hair tie from before, which likes to get hair stuck in it all the time. And once the hair is clear, I'm just going to tie that off. Again, nothing too tight. And so now we're just going to do the same thing as before. So just twisting the hair clockwise and wrapping it around that half section to get that nice twisted bun. This hairstyle is really good for when you want to have the front of your hair up and out of your face, but you don't want to have all of your hair up. You still want to have a little bit down. And so this is really nice for that. It looks really nice. Right, style 4 is a mini crown braid into a high pony. So we're just going to grab the hair. You can flip your head or whoever's head you're doing these styles on over. That's how I usually do it. And then just gather up from the bottom and tie it off at the top of the head, as close to the front of the head as you would like. I did kind of a medium half high ponytail. It's not all the way on the top of the head, but it's not all the way at the back of the head. And then I've just grabbed a nice scrunchie, which I'm just going to chuck in the ponytail just to make it look a little bit nicer and hide that band look. You can also wrap the hair around the band and secure it with a bobby pin or chuck a ribbon in it, or a clip or a bow, or you can just leave it with the band in if you don't have any of the above. And then I'm just pulling that nice and tight so it's nice and tight on the head. And just make sure that the back of the ponytail is all nice and brushed, because we don't want any knots in the ponytail. Okay, and there we have it, the mini crown braid up into the high ponytail. Okay, that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, don't forget, if you don't know how to Dutch braid, check out the link above. And I hope you guys stay groovy and keep expressing yourselves.